Right, welcome back, guys, to another video. And you guys know what that means. We're gonna look at the charts, and yeah, man. Today I'm just gonna do something that I failed to do last week. Excuse me. I'm gonna do something that I failed to do last week, which is reviewing the ideas that I shared on TradingView. Fortunately, last week I was able to share a few ideas on TradingView, and I'm just gonna go through all the ideas and show you guys the thought process of me just seeing those trades and just taking those trades and whatever. So without wasting any time, let's just go to my profile and just check out those ideas. Um, shared quite a few ideas. I didn't even realize that. Well, okay, so they all start. I think the 19th of August, which is last week Monday, right? So yeah. So the first idea that I shared was for USDT, and this is what I said about USDT. As you guys know, every time I share an idea, I have to write what I see. I have to explain what I'm seeing on the setup. So this is what I see. USDT has been on an uptrend. Indications of a strong bullish momentum as price broke above resistance, followed by a retest. A rejection is a confirmation for an entry, right? So this is what I was talking about. The retest was after breaking this resistance area, we came back to retest it for the first time and then retested it for the second time. So on the first occasion, I took the trade. Then I think it was on a Friday, so I couldn't hold it over the weekend, so I decided to close it. But then came back to retest again on Monday just to test this level again. So as soon as I saw the market testing this area and then coming back to a confluence area, I call this a confluence area because we have two supports that the price is currently testing. So this was this support and this support. So this is what I saw. As soon as I saw this rejection, then I decided to take another trade. Let's just check out how it went. So as you guys can see, that was a winning trade. So if I can go back to charts and just show you guys the setup, what I saw for me to take the trade. All right, so this is the setup. This is where I took the trade. As you guys can see, I haven't even looked at the charts this week. Um, Now it's actually the first time I see the charts this week. So this is the trade that I was talking about. As you guys can see, the market was on an uptrend, just going all the way up and breaking all these key areas. I'm sorry, people are making noise. Damn it. Uh, so the market was breaking above all these key levels and just breaking above the key levels while continuing to respect structure. So this is where I took the buy. This is where I took the buy. As soon as I saw this rejection, the market came back to retest this level again, which was a good retest because it happened on a Monday, so I was able to take this trade, and then yeah, man, we went all the way to hit TP. So the first idea was a winning trade. Let's go and check the other ideas that I shared. Profile started on a good note. I'm not gonna lie, Monday with that USDT trade, that was a good trade. That was a good trade, eh? So the second one was for AUD USD. So this is what I said for AUD USD. AUD USD is showing signs of strong bullish momentum, a break above the resistance and a retest while respecting structure. Similar thing to the setup that I had for USDT, as you guys can see. So this is just a break, and retest, a break above and a retest. This is just a textbook movement, a simple, clear textbook movement. So let's see how this one went. Should hit TP exactly. So if I can just go back to the charts and show you guys what I saw. I'm really sorry about the noise. Let's go to AUD USD. I think it's that one. Yes. Which one was it? Was it this one? Oh yeah, it was this one. As you guys can see, the market is it was going up. The market was going up, uptrend, just going and breaking all these key levels and retesting them. This is just a repetition. As you guys can see, we broke above this resistance level, came back to retest it, and then the rejection was just a confirmation for the continuation to go to the upside for a buy, right? So we were respecting structure and going breaking above all these key levels and retesting them. So this was just a good buy, a good entry, a good this was a good trade, similar to the one for USDT. So it was a winning trade also. Oh my days. Right, so we have so far we have two ideas, both of them were winning ideas. um and let's go uh to this one, USDT. All right, so make sure you guys do follow me on TradingView, just to just to also benefit from all these ideas that I do share on TradingView. So that's my profile right there. So that's my name, Zach Trades. So just go there, follow me, and get to read with me as I read the market. So for USDT, this is another trade for USDT that I took, and USDT is still showing strong bullish momentum with a break above resistance, followed by a retest while continuing to respect structure. A strong entry confirmation from the engulfing candlestick. So this was the confirmation, but I think this one hit. I went on to hit stop loss with this one. Uh, if I still remember very well, right here. So this one hit me, stopped me out. But let's just go over to the charts and see what happened and check out the setup, right? All right, so we're back with USDT, and this is the trade that I took, which is this one. So what I did here is the same thing that I did here. So as you guys see that the market went up, broke above this, and then came back to retest. So as soon as I saw this engulfing candlestick, that's when I decided to enter for a buy. And then the market just played out, played out, played out. And then when it came here, I entered again thinking that it's going to shoot up. But unfortunately, it stopped me out, took me out. That was a losing trade. And I see the market has created a new level here, which it has been failing to break above. And yeah, man. So now we had our first losing trade. And let's just go see it. Take a look at other ideas and see what happened. Alright, so the next idea that I'm going to go through is the one for AUDJPY. Yes, AUDJPY. I think this one also, I hit stop loss on this one too. So AUDJPY failed to break above resistance, rejecting with a strong push to the downside and a break of structure, anticipating for the downward movement to continue. So this is the structure, which is a short-term structure that we broke out of, as you guys can see there. And we rejected this resistance area, so that's where I decided to enter for a sell, but I think this one hit a stop loss before eventually going into my direction. So uh well, what the hell, what the hell, why? Wow, so I thought this thing has moved, but after stopping me out it just kept on correcting, so let's go over to the chart and see, check the setup, and check the setup. Guys, I'm really sorry for the noise. Like, I had no control over these people making the noise. I tried to have them just lower their voices, but I clearly I'm not winning. I'm not gonna win the battle, but yeah. Let's go over to AUDJPY and just take a look at the trade that I took. Um, wow. So this is the trade that I took. You see, stop hunts. This is where I got hunted. This is what we call a stop hunt. So the market failed to break above this resistance area, having failed multiple times to break above this um resistance area, and then came on to reject this area again, just giving us a full engulfing candlestick, which is a strong. Let me not say that, but this was a strong confirmation for a push to the downside. As you guys can see, before the market went to stop me out, it just went down a little bit and just ooh, went up. Guys, I'm sorry for the noise. I'm really sorry. I'm back. I just tried to get these people to lower their voices for the last time. I don't know, but it looks like I'm not winning clearly. I'm just gonna go and just continue just recording. I don't know. Hopefully they might just lower their voices and you guys can hear me as I talk. But yeah, this is was a losing trade because it hit me, hunted me before going into my direction. This is the most painful thing eh, for us traders. Have the market just go against you before it goes in your direction. But it's whatever. Learn to take the losses and move on from them and just learn from them. So this was a losing trade for AUDJPY. Let's go over and hop on another trade idea and see how it went. I don't think I'm gonna go for this the USDT one because I already explained it when I was talking about this one because this was just what I did on the first one. So I'm just gonna because his stop loss. So I'm just gonna skip this one because already I have dealt with it. So and we're gonna go over to this one for USDCHF. So USDCHF, this is what I say for USDCHF. USDCHF on a downtrend and continues to break below key levels while respecting structure. A breakout and a retest with a double top rejection. A double top rejection. This is what I was talking about. This is just the opposite of what happened on the AUD USD trade and the USDT trade because you guys can see this is just the market was just melting down, dropping, just breaking all these key levels and retesting them. So the market just broke below the support area and then came back to retest it while respecting structure. So this is how this thing moved and this is how it played out. Um it was a winning trade as you guys can see. If I can just hop over to the charts and show you guys what I saw and look at the setup. Um Alright, so USDCHF. Um okay, so this is what I said for USDCHF. Remember I said the market just broke below a key level, went back to retest it, and then gave us a double top rejection. This is a double top rejection that I was talking about. the first rejection and second rejection. So this was just a simple breakout retest, the opposite of what happened at the USDT. And we also respecting structure, as you guys can see here. And this was a good trade, a winning trade. Just a continuation of what happened for me when I was taking these trades. So this was a good trade. And yeah, man, let's go over and check other trade ideas. I think I have two more that I have to go through and we done. So the next one that I looked at, it was gold. So I remember I took this one, it was just before FOMC. So I thought the market was gonna move actually, but to my surprise, FOMC did not have much impact on this on that particular day. So on the market. So gold, I said gold continues to be on a bull run, making new highs, a retest of previous level, which has been broken, right? This is the level that gold was retesting, right? A double bottom rejection, one, two, double bottom rejection, and an engulfing candlestick showing momentum to the upside. So this was the engulfing candlestick that I was talking about, which was an indication of an upward momentum. So as you guys can see, I think, however, this trade I closed it when it got to this level. Um, I took partial profits because I didn't feel good about it. I could see the market was playing out and it wasn't giving me any signs of, I wasn't uh sure if it was going to break here or not. So this is what actually happened for this one, and to my surprise it actually respected this level right here. Immediately after I took my profits, I, the market just went down. So um where's the other one? mm, so let me just hop over to the charts and show you guys what I saw at that time for me to take the trade. So mind you, all these ideas that I shared, I took all the trades. I took all the trades for all the ideas that I shared. And these trades, they just signals if you just look at them properly. I took this buy before I had analyzed this, but as soon as I saw that we were gonna have FOMC, I waited a little bit, and that's why I took my trade. It was just late around this, and because it was FOMC. But what I saw with that current at the time was because we also had this level with the market was respecting and still continues to respect me now. Thought the market was gonna go all the way up there, but then unfortunately we hit stop loss on this one. It was a losing trade, so just move on. We move on and we focus on the next trades. Remember, take it one trade at a time and take losses. Losses are part of the game. Take losses the same way you take wins. Okay? So the last idea that I had for USDC HF, it was kind of like a prediction of what I thought was going to happen. So this is what actually happened. This is what I said on this idea. I already had my analysis and I had whatever. And you guys, as you look at this, this is what I saw. So this was just a continuation after taking all these trades, all these positions, right? So I said on this idea, I said we have two possibilities in this idea, right? Possibility number one, the market might break above the key level to confirm a break of structure and a change of direction following a double bottom to give us buying opportunities. So this was a double bottom that I was talking about. Break of structure, break above a key level, come back retest to give us further buying opportunities, right? And the second possibility was that a break below the key level to continue with the movement to the downside, giving us further selling opportunities. Which one is it going to be, right? So this was just, it was more of like a an outlook of what was going to happen, and this is actually what happened. So the way I trade is that I wait for the market to give me those probabilities, and then just follow the market on however it moves, right? If it had went in this direction, I would have known that I was going to take buys. And if it goes in this direction, I know I go for sales, right? So this is actually what happened. And I'm just going to go over to the chart and show you guys what I saw happening, because I took a trade actually. I think it was 2 days ago. It was today it's Tuesday, right? I think I took it yesterday. So, because that was the only thing that I checked out on the charts. I didn't really look at the charts. I just checked specifically that setup because I was waiting for that trade for USDCHF. So, if I can just go over to the setup and show you guys what happened. So, USDCHF. I still have the analysis here. As you guys can see, I had anticipated that the market would either break above this level and then give us buying opportunities, or break below this level and give us selling opportunities, of which it happened, of which it broke below and gave us selling opportunities. As soon as the market broke below this level, actually this was a good entry for a sell, but I wasn't in the market to see that happen. So I found the market just trading around this area. And then as soon as it came back here, I saw that it had created another level for us. After breaking below that level, created a new level of which it failed to break above, and then that's when I looked for sales, right? As soon as I saw the market failing to break above there and then coming back and giving us all these spikes that you see here at this area, I decided to take the sell, right? So this, I think I took the sell yesterday. I took the sell yesterday, and then the setup was completed today. So this was a long wait for the setup to complete. So this was a winning trade. It was a good. It's been good. USDCHF has been behaving very well. All these trades that I took, how many? One, two, three, four entries, and all of them are winners. Wow, this is so good, guys. This is so good. This is very outstanding. Wow. So make sure you guys do follow me on Trading View, just so you can get these trades with me, catch these trades with me. And yeah, that's my profile right there. That's my profile right there. If you want to follow me, just go over and follow me there. Make sure to be consistent as I share all these ideas, and just make sure I share high probability ideas for you guys, with you guys, the people who do follow me. And yeah, man, so far I've shared about 50, it's 39 ideas. The goal is to get to 100 very soon. I don't know how long that's going to take me, but I'm gonna try to get to 100 ideas. And yeah, man, this has been the review of the trade ideas for last week. And this week it's a new week. We're gonna look at the charts again, reanalyze, and see if we have to adjust the analysis somehow, and just continue trading. So this has been the review. And yeah, ciao, man.